Hello guys, and this video is an introduction video. So aren't you excited in ranking your website or your business on number 1 page and on number 1 rank? So I know that you and me, everyone would want to do that, but eventually you would have been ranking your websites, but you would have been ranking by paying to SEO experts. So they do SEO and then your website would rank on number 1. So I don't want you to do that kind of thing. You can do by yourself. You just learn how to do it. It will take some time, but Rome was not built in a day. So it will take some time, but eventually you will rank, you will know how to rank your websites and your business, and you can offer your services to freelancer websites and etc., which we will tell you in this course. And we will tell you, we won't guarantee you that you will be means you can just rank your website in just 1 day or 2 days, but we can guarantee you one thing, that after completing this whole course you would be happy and you will learn various things. So keep one thing in mind, that you must have a paper and a pen so that you are making notes of each and everything. Now comes the most interesting part, that is we are offering so many free ebooks which are of $20, $30. Some ebooks are of $49, but these ebooks we are offering completely free with this course, as well as we are also offering so many study materials and interesting exercises which you would be happy to do. Now here comes the change. We are offering something that no other people in the course offer. That is, the people in the courses, I have browsed various courses and various YouTube videos, and I have seen one thing, that is these people always go for and tell you to just go and pay for a similar, pay for a website, and they show you that we are also paying $49 a month or $50 a month or even $97 a month for this website for doing keyword research. But in this video tutorial I am going to tell you all those websites which are offering free services. You even don't register in that website, but then also you can take all those things which a person who has registered can take. Means the thing is that, simple thing is that each and everything taught in this video is completely free. So you don't have to pay, you have to only pay for the course. And that is one thing, that if you want to do anything, you must pay the price. So if you are excited, then just grab this opportunity and buy the course exactly at the same time after watching this video completely. So we have offered some of the free videos. You can just go browse in here. One thing you must keep in mind, and that is, if you are if you are an enthusiastic student in SEO, then only you must buy this course, because I have seen various people who just buy this course and they leave it after completing only 1 to 2 videos, and they think that, oh I must, and they start dreaming that, oh I must become a SEO expert without doing any work. But that is not possible. You have to do each and everything. So after taking this course, I hope that you complete this course and give a good feedback or any feedback which you want to give on this course, and to guide me that what are the problems you faced, and you can answer any of the questions, and you would get 24/7 instructor support. Means I would be supporting you. And in the next video I'm going to tell you that why you must listen to me, and who am I, and what I have done, and why am I teaching you this course in Udemy. Hello guys, and in this video we are going to discuss an important update, and that is I just have attached all those ebooks in the last video. After seeing the last video, you can download all those ebooks, and the good thing is that these ebooks it can be downloaded on computer as well as on mobile phones, because it is a PDF format and you can browse PDF in mobile phones as well as on laptops and computer, MacBook, etc. So it would be better if you complete this course, and from the last you can download these things. And the second thing is that I have attached many practice questions and with answers, so you can just download them. I have not created any assignments, but in these practice questions there are answers which you can download it, and then you can start doing it and practicing it. So that was it. Okay, so meet you in the next video. So hello guys, and basically this video is not on any SEO, but this video is a special note for all of you who have bought this course. I want all of you to learn the whole course. Means there are videos and you must watch each and every video. You must not skip any video. If the video's title is an introduction to SEO, you must not think that this is an introduction video, what is the need of learning this, we must directly go to the advanced level or we must directly go to the intermediate level. No, I want you all to learn from the basics. If you know the basics, then that's a good thing, but then also you must start from the basics, because you will learn something or the other, some new thing. You will learn some new thing from this course. So I want you all to do the full course. Now I am telling you this because in my previous course, because many of you might have taken my previous course, YouTube SEO course. So in that course, approximately 80% people completed the whole course, and around 20% people who bought this course didn't even complete 50% of that course. So what is the need of buying that course and wasting your money when you are not interested in completing that? So my opinion is that if you are interested in SEO, and if you are an enthusiastic learner in SEO, then you must only take, or then you must only buy this course. Otherwise, please don't buy this course. Because if you are a learner and you are not enthusiastic, you are a learner but you are not enthusiastic, you always want to rush, then please don't buy this course. Because I want each and every student of mine to start from the basic, and then he will go to the intermediate level and then to the professional level. So this was for today's video, and meet you in the next video tomorrow. Okay guys, thank you. So hello guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to learn about domains, www, and some basics. So let's start. Now every website is identified by a unique series of numbers called an IP address. This numeric set is what your computer uses to connect to the server where the website data lives. So please don't get confused on the image displayed in the screen. I am going to show you what really IP address mean. You can check your computer's IP address by going simply here, type on network and sharing center. Okay, so my computer is a bit slow, so it is taking time. Okay, so now go to local area connection, and here you will go to details. Now you can see that this is the IP address and this is the subnet mask. So this is the IP address of my computer. So this is what is called an IP address, and this is what is called an URL. URL means Uniform Resource Locator. Each and every website has a different URL. I know that I sound like a bit childish, but I want you to learn all those things. URL full form is Uniform Resource Locator, as you can see on the image. And for example, Google has a different URL, www.google.com, and Yahoo has a different URL, www.yahoo.com. Similarly, this thing is also known as a URL. Now the words used to identify a website, like they are known as URL or domain. Okay, I have already explained this thing. So think of it like a mobile phone. You want to call your mom, so you simply type MOM and your phone starts to dial your mother's phone number. Domains are connected to the IP address in the same way. So you can look in the image here and you finally understood what I'm trying to say. So now let's talk about what is www. Means this thing, www, which we type before each and every URL name. Sorry. So www means World Wide Web. Okay, so so www means World Wide Web. It is a huge ebook whose web pages are saved on several web browsers across the whole world. Now it is a bit more difficult for you to understand. Okay, so I am explaining it. So these web pages are linked by hyperlinks called hypertext, compared with a magazine. So let's compare it with a magazine where we move from one page to another in a series. On the World Wide Web, we follow a similar pattern of hypertext link to visit the web page or details. So basically it is a system of internet details which include web pages, images, MP3 files, video clips, others on the internet content which is arranged in HTML. So I think that you are understanding that www is just like a magazine in which we have many pages. So similarly we have so many pages in www, like I told you, like web pages, images, MP3 files, movies, etc., MP4 files. So let's now go through history. I know history is a bit boring, but let's go through history of www or World Wide Web. So World Wide Web was designed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. It is different form of web, as on the internet is a system connection which allows users to send mail or access World Wide Web. So I think that you have learned World Wide Web as well as domain from this video. So meet in the next video where we will talk about search engine versus portal. Okay, so thank you guys, and meet you in the next video. So hello guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to learn about what is SEO. So SEO means search engine optimization, like I told in the previous video. So what does it really mean? So SEO is an area of website development that seeks to improve the way content is ranked by search engines in organic search results. For example, if I am typing here like diamond rings, for example, I type here diamond rings and I want to see which websites come up. So let me see. Yeah, so see, so this is the website that is PC Jeweler. That is the website that comes on the first rank. That this website is an SEO website, means this website is search optimized website. And the website which comes on the second page, so let's see the second page website. So now this website, yeah, so no, not Flipkart and Myntra, these are big websites. Let's see, yeah, like websites like suratdiamond.com and zamordiamonds.com. So these websites are coming on the second page, and we all know that 99% of traffic goes to the first page. And this is not only the first page, but this is the first ranked diamond ring. So you can say that 99% of traffic goes to this website. And this website is also a search engine optimized website because it is coming first. So as your website is always on the first, so you will get 99% of traffic, which means that you will start getting sales, and which means that you will start making money. So your business will automatically expand and you will start making thousands and thousands of dollars. So that's why we need SEO. We need SEO to make our business grow, to make our website grow, to make our blog grow. So that's why SEO is needed. Okay guys, so that's all for today, and meet you in the next video. So hello everyone and welcome to another video. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about SEO and SEM, what is the difference between them and why are these both necessary. So before we start detailed strategies on SEO, first we need to understand difference between SEO, search engine optimization, and SEM, search engine marketing. So SEO refers to the organic traffic, means organic traffic refers to the people visiting your website through search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc. So this is not a paid ad traffic. Like I am giving you an example here. This is a SEO'd website, keyword optimized or search engine optimized website, and this is also SEO'd website. These all are SEO websites, but this is not an SEO website because you can see here clearly ad. So now we will discuss about SEM, search engine marketing. So this is known as search engine marketing. This means paid ad traffic. This refers to the people visiting your website via ads or paid campaigns like Google AdWords, Facebook paid ads. So if someone asks me that what is the difference between SEO and SEM, then I can clearly tell him that SEM is the paid traffic and SEO is the organic traffic. And if someone asks me that which one is the better, so I can say that SEO is far better than SEM, because in SEM you have to pay for per click, whether the person buys from you or not, you have to pay for per click. But SEO is completely free. But if you want to instantly rank your website, means if you want instantly to increase your visitors, then you have to do SEM, because SEO takes time. It depends on the competitor and the competitive niche which you are competing in. It depends on that. It may take, if you are in a competitive field, it may take 1 or 2 years for your website or your blog to rank. So I must say that SEO is the best one, and in this course we are going to learn about SEO only, because search engine marketing costs money and lot of money would be wasted. So people who do cost SEM, means search engine marketing, they have a lot of money, or their company is multi-million-dollar company, so that's why they do SEM. For small blogs and small websites, SEO is the best one, and in this course we are just going to discuss the same thing. So meet you in the next video in which we will discuss about SERP. So okay, so that's all for today. So hello everyone and welcome to another video. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about SERP, SERP. So SERP is known as search engine results page. For example, if I search on Google like Google Images, if I search Google Images and a page appears, so these are the results which are shown by the search engine Google. So this whole thing, let me show you. So this whole page which you are currently browsing here, this whole page from here to here, this whole page is known as SERP, search engine results page. In further of my videos I will use the short name SERP. So in order to explain you about that, that's why I made this video earlier. So this page you can know that this is known as SERP. Not only this thing, if you search anything like Facebook image search or anything, if you search, this results page is known as SERP. So that's all for today and meet you in the next video. Hello guys and welcome to another video tutorial. So in this video tutorial we are here to learn about the basic difference about Google and Yahoo. Now Yahoo works on keyword stuffing and Google works on backlinking. Keyword stuffing is a process in which you stuff unnecessarily keywords or unnecessary words in your blog or in your website in order to rank first. So for example, if I have a website on gold rings and I stuff unnecessarily keywords like gold rings everywhere in my website, so my website will automatically rank 1 or 2 in the search results in Yahoo. But same in case of Google, my website won't even rank in the second or third page also, because Google works on backlinking. Backlinking is a process in which if a person read your blog post and he loved it, so he on his or her own blog post will share your link, so you will get a backlink from him. Now how will you know how to get a backlink? Means which website has how many numbers of backlinks. So how will you know? So let me show you. You just go here and type Open Site Explorer. So this is a free tool by Moz. Okay, so you just click here. And now you are guided to this website. So here you can know that how many backlinks are there in that website. For example, if I search here diamond rings and I click enter, actually I love diamond rings, that's why I always give example of that. Okay, so let's take this website. This is the first one ranking on search. So let's know that how many backlinks this website has. So we will just copy its URL, copy, and now we will paste it here. Let's paste it. Okay, so paste it, and now we will click search. Okay, okay, so we just discovered that domain authority is 34 out of 0, and it looks we haven't discovered link data for this site or URL. Means it has very less number of URLs, but then also it is ranking on number 1. Its spam score is 2 out of 7. Large site with few links, no contact information. So it has a very few number of links. Okay, so let's take an example of this website. This website, most haunted places in India, and we will copy it, just same, and we will paste over here. And we will hit search, and now you can see, so this website just got 214 total backlinks. So these are 214 total backlinks, and this has even 0 spam score. So this hasn't a spam score. That website I think was spam website, because that website has used black hat SEO technique in order to rank number 1, because without even backlinks that website is ranking number 1, means the website has used black hat SEO. Also its spam score was 2 out of 17, which means it's black hat SEO. So this website, you can see that its domain authority is also 43 out of 100, means it has a very good domain, as well as spam score is 0, that's a good thing, and it has total number 214 backlinks. Now you can see that these are 14 inbound links, and you see spam score 3, 3, 3, 3, and these are the links from which it got backlinks. Sorry, these are the websites from which it got backlinks. So now you have understood how Google operates and how Yahoo works. So meet you in the next video. Thank you. So hello guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video I am particularly going to answer a question which most of people, or which most of children, face difficulty in. Now this question is, when will I rank on the first page? So you might have seen probably many blogs that claim to rank you in 7 steps, or I can say that they claim that they can rank you within 2 minutes, or within 10 minutes, or within 2 days. Now these all things are fake. It generally depends on your niche. I just started my website, and if I do SEO, or even if I outsource SEO activities to a marketing agency, when will my website rank on the first part of Google? So people generally ask these types of questions, and my answer goes, now SEO is a long-term strategy. It is not that you will rank on first or even on second page of Google or other search engines with a very short time span. This is not possible. To be specific, it may take 6 months, or it may take 2 years, it may take 3 years, and even that too when you implement proper SEO tactics on a consistent basis, which is shown in this course. Now still there is no guarantee, but if you follow this course material thoroughly, and at the same time if you implement these things on a consistent basis, chances are that you will rank higher in the SERP, which I already mentioned in the previous video. So you need to have patience in order to start a blog, or in order to start a website. I am not giving you any magic pill that after eating this magic pill, or after seeing this course of 2 hours or 1 hour, then you will automatically start ranking on the first page. This is not possible. You will know the tricks and you will know the tips to increase your traffic, but you won't be able to rank on first page in a very short span. It generally depends on various factors, which I will explain further in different parts of this on page SEO or off page SEO. So I will explain it further. So that's all for today's video, and I hope that you loved this video and you learned something from it. So meet you in the next video. So hello guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn how search engines work. So this is very important for us to learn how search engines work, and which is not taught in most of the courses, because I don't know why this is not taught in most of the courses, but I am teaching you because it is necessary for us to learn how search engines work, because we are going to operate on search engine only. We are going to do search engine optimization only. So let's see. So I want to ask you a question, that how often do you search on Google every day? I think approximately 4 to 5 times, or some even 10 to 20 times. So now most people think that Google or other web search engines, they just crawl through all those websites and provide the SERP. Means if I type here a word name mimic, and I type here what does it mean, and I click enter, then we get the result in just 0.33 second, not even 1 second, and we get the results. Now many people think that Google or other web search engines searches the web or websites and provides the SERP, search engine result page. But this is not 100% true. First we need to understand what is crawling. Now what is crawling? Search engines provide their own search results from their own database. So search engines have their own crawlers, like Google has Google bot. These crawlers crawls from websites, links and pages all over the internet and stores them in their database. In other words, search engine bots look for relevant information all over the internet and store them in their knowledge base. That is why we create and submit sitemap using webmaster tools, so that we can tell more about our web structure to search engines. Okay, so these topics are just covered in technical SEO module, so we are not covering these topics right now. So now the most common question is, I just created a website or a blog post, or even launched a new website, but it is not showing in Google search results. Why? We had already discussed that with a few moments ago, that Google or other search engines don't provide results directly from websites, but rather they provide results from the sites that they had crawled. This leads us to our next question. How often does Google crawl a website? Okay, so as per our experience and test results, generally it may take up to few weeks to crawl a normal website. Your website or pages will be shown in search results only after crawling of such pages has been completed by search engine spiders. However, the frequency to crawl differs from website to website. For example, a high domain authority like CNN.com publishes fresh and important news content at high frequency. Hence, chances are that Google bot or any other search engine crawlers will crawl websites on daily basis or even 1 or 2 times a day. So this is possible. Now if I made a domain, sorry, no, I can't make a domain. If I made a website named dhableshwar.com, so it is not ranking. I just purchased a domain from godaddy.com and I made the website named dhableshwar.com, and but the main problem is that it is not showing in the search results. So no need to worry, it will take some time. It will take some time for the Google bot or the crawlers to crawl your website. So it may show up into 2 or 3 days, or it may show in just 4 to 5 days. So don't worry. So I think that you have learned how search engines work by the process of crawling, like Google has Google bot crawler. And so meet you in the next video, and then we will learn types of SEO. So hello guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to learn about white hat SEO. So as I already explained you in the previous video that white hat SEO is a good technique of ranking your website or your blog. So let's learn it in 5 steps. 5 well steps. A good white hat SEO expert does these 5 things. The first one is good substance. The main motive of SEO, the main thing by which you can do SEO is only by good content. I am not going to give any magic pill. The main thing is that you must put good content so that people may find value and they may share your content. So your content must have a great high value, not only keyword stuffed content. No one likes that. Second thing is proper keywords and metadata. So meta tags, meta description and proper keywords is very much needed, and this we will teach you in further of our videos, in further of our lectures in on-page SEO and off-page SEO, that what is meta tags, what is meta description, how can you find it, how can you edit it, how can you put it so that you can increase your SEO rank factor. Third is ease of navigation. Website crawlers will particularly crawl to your website if your website is very easy to navigate. If your website doesn't have any third-party sites or third-party sites, advertisements or anything like that, or your websites might not be spammy type. So your websites must be very neat and clean websites in order, and it must be very easy for the visitor to visit your website and to crawl through your websites, or in my opinion to browse through your websites. It must be very easy, and the user must not face any difficulty in it. Means, for example, if he clicks here on a particular link, then another link opens and another ad opens and some video starts opening. So this must not happen. Now the third is the site performance. Your site performance must be very high. Site and page execution is another factor considered, which via web indexes to survey their destination. So it must be nice, and we will tell you how to do these things. Now the fifth one and the last one is quality of inbound links. Now inbound links, I already told you that these are nothing but the backlinks. Okay, so if a website whose domain is .com website, so about let's say there are 2 websites. The first one is gold rings and the second one is also gold rings, but the first website, which is gold rings, that gets 10 inbound links from another website, which name is let's say diamond, let's say wedding rings. Another website's name is wedding rings, and similarly various types of websites. So it gets 10 inbound links from .com domain. You can say that the first website, gold rings website, gets 10 inbound links from .com domain, and the second website that gets only 2 links from a website which has .mil. So you can understand that one website is getting inbound link from 10 sources, 10.com, and another one is getting only from 2 sources, and that too from 2 domains. One is .mil, another one is .mil. So .mil refers to military one. I know that that's impossible, that how will military website link to a gold ring website, but if that website if that domain particularly links to that website, then that means that that website will automatically rank on number 1, because domain also is a great factor in ranking your websites. So if you have a website which is just newly built and you get a backlink from any of those government websites or any of those military domains, .mil domains, not .com, .mil, so your website will automatically outrank all those websites out there. If it doesn't matter if they have 200 backlinks or if they have 300 backlinks, if you get only 2 to 3 backlinks from .mil or .edu website, then you will automatically outsource them, or you can say outrank them. So this is all for today, and now next meet in the next video. So and there we will discuss about black hat SEO. So thank you. Hey guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about black hat SEO techniques. So I am basically giving this video in order to give you information about black hat SEO, because you need to know that which are the two types of SEO. First one, white hat SEO, which I already explained, and now I will explain black hat SEO. So there are these things which causes black hat SEO. The first one is paid links. So what are paid links? Paid links is an example of black hat SEO, where you give some website, that may be a small website or that may be a big website, you give them some money to backlink you. As I already explained, that backlink means someone in their own websites just mentions your website's link, or they just hyperlink a word towards your website. So that is what is called backlinking. So paid backlinking, this is basically paid backlinking, that is known as paid links. So this is a black hat SEO technique which is used by most of the black hat SEO experts. So now let's talk about spam comments. So what are these comments? I am giving you an example. You can see right here. Yeah, so you can see this whole comment which you are seeing here. Have you ever seen something like that appear in your website too? So this is what is known as spam comment, which doesn't have any meaning. See, URL. Now people are so smart that they can also understand what is a spam comment and what is not spam comment, and even search engines are smarter to understand which are the spam comments or which are not. So this is not as spam comments. This also is a black hat SEO technique. The third one is duplicating content. As I already told you, the duplicating content means in order like keyword stuffing. So if you are writing a word, then you are just duplicating it. For example, if I am writing about digital marketing, then in my blog, if I have 100 words blog, then I will write around 50 to 60 times digital marketing without any use. So this is known as duplicating content. Now the fourth one is cloaking. So cloaking is a method by which you show something else to the search engine spider crawlers, which I already explained, and something else is shown to the user. Means you are basically trying to cheat the search engine bot or that crawling spider. You show them something else and you show the user something else. So this is technique is basically very difficult, and this is only used by SEO experts who are black hat SEO experts. So now the fifth one is hidden text. So what are hidden text? For example, in a website, let's take an example that this is here. So if I write here that hello, or hello, so then I just click over here and I go to color changing, and I just change it color to not white, no color, just keep no color, and now here to white. Let me select it. Okay, so let me take it to white. So now you can see, and okay, so first let me, okay, so now you saw that the whole thing disappeared. So this is what is known as hidden text. They just disappear the whole content which is which you can't see here. So this same thing happens in the websites. They just disappear, make this sentence or make a word particularly disappear, make their keyword disappear. For example, if I have a website named digital marketing, or I have a blog based on digital marketing, so I will write various words. Let me make it visible first. Okay, so let me, so let me make it visible. So now if I want to write do this thing, duplicating content, they just duplicate this word and they put all over their website, and they change their font color to white so that it becomes invisible to the reader, but it is visible to the search engine. So this is the this helps in ranking, and this is basically black hat SEO. So please don't try to copy it. And another thing is that there is no shortcut to success. If you want to be successful, you have to take time. But if you get, I know that you can get very early success, means the people say that I can get success by black hat SEO. Yeah, if you learn black hat SEO, then you will definitely rank your website in just a month or two, but that success would not be permanent. Your website would get banned eventually, or if you are earning so much from your website, then eventually one day your website would be banned or removed from Google by Google. So that's why I say that always do white hat SEO or always do clean techniques. Now the next thing is keyword stuffing. As I already mentioned you, it is similar as duplicating content. It means that it is a bit different, because in this thing you just unnecessarily stuff your keyword, but in duplicating content you stuff keyword as well as different types of sentences for which you want your website to rank. So keyword stuffing, I just gave you an example. If you have a gold rings website and you are writing buy gold rings before these gold rings go out of stock, these gold rings are the best one and these are from the best jewelers, so just contact to goldrings@gmail.com. so this is known as keyword stuffing, means unnecessarily keyword stuffing. So this makes the website spammy, as well as no customer or no user wants to go to your website. So I must say that please don't do these types of things. It must be very good if you do clean SEO. Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about SEO myths. Now what is an SEO myth? So SEO myth is basically a misconception that people are having on SEO. So to explain you, I am giving a small example. For example, I am typing here Marketo, okay, so Marketo is basically a digital marketing company and I have typed the name here. Now let it load. Okay, so you just saw that it appeared on the first rank, so it is very natural. Some of you might be thinking that it's natural. If we type the name of the digital company, it is appearing on the first rank, then it's natural. But the main SEO myth which is in here is that 50 to 70% people think that if this appears on the first page after typing the name of that company, that means that this is SEO website, means this website is keyword optimized website, or this website is search engine website. You cannot conclude after just writing the name of that website. Means it's natural that if you are typing the name of that website, it will automatically rank on number 1. But if search engine optimization means ranking the websites based on certain keywords or certain search queries or certain particular niche. Now see, this has a niche known as marketing. So if you type here digital marketing, because this is related to digital marketing, and if this website ranks after typing digital marketing, then you can conclude that this is search engine optimization. Let me see. Okay, so you can see that Marketo.com is ranking on the second rank. Now you can conclude from here that digital marketing means niche means Marketo is a very good SEO'd website. So I think that the main doubt from your mind must have been clear after learning that digital marketing means after removing the SEO myth which you were having right now. So that's all for today's video. Meet you in the next video. Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn what are search queries and what are keywords. So first of all, Google and other search engines always keep on changing their algorithms to provide relevant search results to searchers. However, the only thing that I personally found consistent in SEO is the keyword. So you might be thinking, what is a keyword? Or some of you may know what a keyword is. So let me first explain it. A keyword is a word or a phrase that describes the topic of the page. Often keywords are search queries entered by users to find particular information, product or service. But many digital marketers or even common people have misconception that user research query or search query is equal to keyword. Well, that is not true. You can figure it out from the page right here. These are known as the search queries: buy Nike shoes online, Nike blue shoes, Nike cheap shoes, Nike casual wear, Nike shoes on Amazon, Nike shoes in discount, Nike shoes 95% discount. So these all are the search queries which are written by people on Google. But we can find a common thing in all these search queries, and that is the keyword Nike shoes. So we can conclude from here that the common word found in all these queries is Nike shoes. So this is basically known as the keyword. Now the entire strategy for on-page SEO and to some extent on off-page SEO is based on keywords. So before we start implementing on-page SEO, we need to do keyword research. So whether we are creating site title, page title, image, alt tag, metadata, meta description, or even actual page contents, we need to have relevant keywords first. So now I think that you have understood the basic difference between search queries and keyword, and you might have also known that what are search queries and what are keywords. So that's all for today, and meet you in the next video. Hello guys, and in this video we will learn about keywords mapping and etc. So first let's learn what is the ultimate goal of SEO. So the ultimate goal of SEO is to match the searchers to the answers, means deliver product or actual information which people are looking for based on what they type in the search engine. In other words, when someone is searching something, we have to provide answers specific to this query on our website or blog. This is the main motive of SEO, or if you are a SEO expert, this is the must thing which you need to know. So now by doing keyword research, we have to find various combinations that searchers are searching, and based on that we have to provide contents that match the exact need of searchers. So content may be like web page, blog post, article, video, product or service page, pricing page. Okay, so now assume that you are working as a SEO agency, you are working as a SEO expert in an agency known as www.venusvilla.in. So Venus Villa is a company that offers villas and hotels as well as tour packages for places in Chicago and Los Angeles, Hawaii. Okay, so both Chicago, Hawaii are tourist places in US. So the general queries may be hotels in Chicago, villas in Hawaii, family package for Chicago, and Hawaii tour, Hawaii fun, Hawaii adventures, Chicago adventures, and best time to see Chicago, and the best hotels and the best villas in Chicago, Chicago Hawaii tour package. So these are the general search queries. So let's do a bit of keyword research. Now most of the SEO agencies create content based on the search phrases or user queries. But remember, Google will give importance to the relevant information to the user and not just the keyword manipulated web page. So you need to make relevant content. That is the best thing of SEO. So now let's understand how do we do keyword research. First of all, we have to think strategically why people go to Chicago or why people go to Hawaii. Who prefers holidays at Hawaii and Chicago? What relevant information we can provide here? So first of all, why people go to Hawaii and Chicago? Let me search it here. Why people visit Hawaii? Okay, so we can clearly see that the people, while every vacation destination has a few people, Hawaii has fewer than most vacation destination. A larger reason, however, that most people in Hawaii do promote the aloha spirit. So mainly they go for vacation destination. So mainly they prefer for vacation. So you can see the top 10 reasons to visit Hawaii. This page is ranking, this blog is ranking on the first page and on the first rank. So this is because they have done SEO. Now after getting all this content, we have to create a unique content, blog, web pages to match specific search queries of the searcher. Okay, so now let's take another example, that is of Manali. Manali is a place in Himachal Pradesh that is best for trekking and adventure. So now let's do a bit of keyword mapping. So search queries for people visiting Manali for the purpose of adventure trekking is as follows. People means write Manali trekking campus, Manali trekking season, Manali trekking packages, and Manali trekking price, cheapest hotels in Manali, Shimla trekking packages. So we have now found a keyword like in Nike shoes. Previous one we have found the keyword Nike shoes. Similarly, we found the keyword Manali trekking. Manali is famous for trekking. So we have now found out the main keyword which is used here. So now let's do a bit of keyword mapping. Now Manali is mainly for adventure trekking and family or group, and so people mainly go there for adventure trekking and with family or group. So now you have to, and now what you can provide, you can provide activities, maps, eco travel, photography. So you are going to basically write a blog post that has all these keywords, as well as that must not be keyword specific only, that must be relevant to the user, and the goal is to match our contents to the searcher's query. Okay, so that's all for today's video, and meet you in the next video. Hello guys, and in this video tutorial we are going to learn about keyword planner. Means this is basically a software which is free and which is given to all the SEO researchers, and to anyone in this world you can use it, and you can use for keyword research and SEO planning. So this is basically the best software I have ever found for SEO use as well as for keyword use. So now let's talk a bit about this. So first of all, you need to type keyword planner over here, and then you will click on here and sign up with your Google account like I just did, and then you will reach here. After reaching here, you will get keyword ideas, and here you will type the keyword like I am going to teach you now. So first let's learn what is this Google keyword tool, AdWords. So this is basically a free tool by Google that helps advertiser to get keyword ideas. Now you can do keyword research for PPC campaigns, that is means SEM, as well as for SEO purpose. You can get traffic, statistics, search volume, and competition and forecast for your campaign. So on page SEO starts by selecting the proper keyword from your blog, product page, or any other website. So now after logging in into your Google account, you would be directed here, and here you can type the keywords which you are thinking of that particular niche. So I just wrote digital marketing, SEO, and marketing, and I clicked over here to get results, and now I just got the results. SEO, it has monthly searches 10k to 100k, that is very low, and digital marketing 100k to 1 million, that is medium. So I will just click over here, download keyword ideas, for downloading all these things so that I can view it anywhere, whether I have internet connection or whether I don't have. So I just downloaded it, and now you can see it. I just got each and every information about these keywords. I downloaded around 600 to 700 keywords. Like you can see, 691 keywords I downloaded, and now you can see the maximum search results, minimum search results, average search results, competition, etc. So now you have figured it out, that what is this basically tool used for. So after getting, I would always suggest that you always go for a keyword that has low searches, because that there is low competition in here, and it is very easy to rank your content over here, because not that much easy that you will rank in just 1 day or 2 day. It will take some time, but you have very much chances, you have 95% chances that your content would rank. But if you are going for a medium or for a high key search result keywords, then I don't think that you would be able to rank that much high in that searches. So always select a keyword that has low monthly searches, as well as competition must be low, so that you can rank within some months, because generally high searches, monthly searches keyword would take time for you to rank. So this was all for this video, and meet you in the next video. Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. So in this video tutorial we are going to discuss about the number one mistake that is done in SEO. So that mistake is basically optimizing keywords with company name. Okay, so Google knows everything these days about business name or company name. Just type any company name or website name over here, and it will show you the website on first rank. Means I gave the previous example in the video SEO myths, that I searched about Marketo and it appeared on the first rank, like I'm showing you. Okay, so you just saw that I typed Marketo and Marketo is appearing on the first page. So this thing would happen even if you had not done much SEO work to improve company name and ranking. Now SEO is all about ranking higher in search result based on the generic product keyword and not the company name. So I think that you have understood this thing in the previous video only. So imagine you already know my company name or my website name, and you want to learn SEO, and you search with SEO course by expert training, then of course my website will rank on much higher. That is not SEO, because I told you already that SEO is searching generic keywords. But what if you don't know about my company name and they are searching and you are searching general queries like SEO online course, SEO ebook course, or SEO training courses? So, and if my website ranks higher, then this is basically SEO. So this is basically means you will understand that my website has a great SEO. So this was the thing which I wanted to tell. This was a small tip which I wanted to give you. So my example here is that if you have a website name if you have a website of SEO online courses, so people generally give the wrong title here. They will just type like my name is Dhableshwar, so I will give the title Dhableshwar SEO courses. So now who is going to search? Just think, who is going to search Dhableshwar SEO courses? Everyone will just search SEO. So I must give a title like this, like SEO training in 2018. This is known as the title. Like I must give that SEO training 2018. And now in this description, I must write that this is given by one of the most expert SEO trainers, Dhableshwar. So this is what we want to give our title. Means you must optimize your title with the name of that generic keyword, not your name or your company name. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Meet you in the next video. Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial, I am going to give you a free SEO audit tool where you can inspect your website and know your rankings, backlinks, etc. Now this tool is very free and you don't need to even register to see the information about this. But if you register, then that's also a good thing, but you can register for free. Now there are hundreds of tools available, because you already know that there are many tools available. Some YouTubers say some different tools, some instructors say some different tool. Now out of these 100 tools available for SEO research, one of my favorite SEO review tool is SEO review tool. Now one of my favorite SEO audit or SEO review tools is SEO review tool. So for SEO reviewing, you can type SEO review tools, and now this will appear on the first page. If so, just click over here. Now I'm pausing because it will take some time. Okay, so you can now see that the site is loaded. Perform a full SEO audit. So now in order to do that, you will just click on here 35 most haunted places on India, and now click here on copy and just wait for some time. And now here you can paste it. So this is the website for which I want to do SEO audit, or which I want to do SEO review, which I want to inspect this. I want to inspect this website for keywords, backlinks, etc. So I will just type that website. You can type your website name also, or your blog URL also. So now I must search the keyword. So this website is related to haunted, so I will search haunted. So now you can see that after doing this, you will get this option. But if you register for free, you won't get this option. But I would suggest you that you just go by this option, no need to register. But if you want, you can register. So I will just click on taxis, and is there any taxis? So verify. Okay, so now it is verified, and now you will click perform check. So now it will load up to 1. So let it load first. It will load up to 100. Now 69%, and it will go. Okay, so let me pause it. Okay, so now we finally got the result, and this is the page most haunted places in India, real stories and places. So now you can see. So these are the errors, warnings, optimized. So you can see that this website is highly optimized. This is highly search engine optimized websites. So now when you will go below, now you can see the number of backlinks. As I already explained, backlink. So you can see 82,841 backlinks and 1,446 unique domain backlinks, and unique IPs are 1,481. So now let's see Moz authority. The domain authority is 51 and page authority is 40. So the Moz is basically a digital, means SEO checker, you can say like that. And you can visit the website moz.com, and here is the keyword search volume. Now we typed the keyword haunted. You can see that the volume is 33,000, around 33,000, and the cost per click CPC is also 0.45, but the competition is very high for this particular keyword. Now as we go down, so title tag, you can see it is written that title tag is total of 57 characters, and great, you have a perfect title tag. So you can see the title tag, meta description. So this is the perfect website which you have been thinking for. This is the perfect SEO optimized website. So now you can view the on-page links and various things. So that's all for today's video. Meet you in the next video. Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial we are going to learn about SEO title, or you can say page title. So let's learn why it is important in SEO. So first thing is that page title is the number one aspect for on-page SEO. So let me give you an example that what is page title. Let's search digital marketing free training. Let's hit enter. Okay, so let me tell you. So page title is the number one aspect, as I already told you. Since it is a on-page element, so you have 100% control on it. Means you have the power to control it. So you can see that this is known as the page title. This is known as the page title. This is known as the page title. This is the page title. So page title helps search engines to understand the topic and content on your page. So it is the first thing that users see in the SERP or search results. So you can see that now your targeted keyword must be included in your page title for which you are creating contents. Means I want to tell that if someone is typing free titles, then if someone is typing free training, then your website title or your SEO title or your page title must have the same keyword in it in order to rank, because this is the most important thing. Now let's talk about more about meta title. So this is also known as meta title. Now it is the summary of the exact contents that user will get on that page. So we can see it on the title bar. Now here this is known as meta title, and this is also this can also be viewed from the title bar of your web browser. Means if I just click over here, and then you will see it. Yeah, you can see here learn online marketing. So this is known as the meta title. You can view it from here also. Okay, so now how to create a good meta title. So the first thing is that Google will display only 70 characters, and in some cases it can be 71 characters. So you must keep it short. And the second thing is that I recommend around 55 to 65 characters would be the best thing, because that would that would grab the attention of that person who is currently viewing your page. And second thing is that people don't like to read much, because they only write short things, like short things. So you just write a short thing, and that must have a meaning in it so that people get excited. And the meta description must also be good. Means like this free digital marketing course, means in order to attract free ebook, or you can give free certification or free video courses for 2 days or only few hours left, buy now with full 100% discount. So now how you can preview your meta title, means how you can see that how my meta title will look like. So you need to search SEO Mofo keyword snippet keyword optimization tool. Now hit enter, and now this page will open, and you just click over here Google SERP, and it will load. The interface will load. So let me pause. So this basically will show you what your keyword title will look like. Sorry, not your keyword title, what your SEO title or your page title will look like. For example, I just search here free digital marketing courses. Now you can see that it is displayed over here. So this is the thing which I would do in order to grab the attention. So you can view it from here. So you can also write the description that free course from AdWords certified instructor. Okay, so you can search it over here also, and you can view it that how your this means page title would look like. So this is a very great tool, and it is also free, and you can find it and use it for your website, means how it would look like. So that was a good thing, and meet you in the next video. I hope that you learned much from this video, and let's meet in the next video where we will discuss about meta description. Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial, before moving towards meta description, as I already told you that this video would be about meta description, but I forgot one thing that I must mention here, that this video is related to that how you can keep a good SEO title. So this video is basically to give you tips so that you can create a good SEO title. So the first and the foremost tip is to keep it within limit. Now you can take the example over here. This is after when I typed digital marketing free training, then this one ranks on the first. This is the example of a very wrong title. Means you can see that the person hasn't written in the word limit. See, only some up to this word is this word is visible, and not the whole sentence is visible, or not the whole SEO title or page title is visible. But the second one, that has the best title over here, because the person conveys the whole message which he wants to try, and it is also visible here. You can see that 100% free digital marketing course and certification, but here it is not fully visible. Now the second mistake which people face is that they use titles relevant to the page contents. Means they don't use the title relevant to the page content. So I would suggest that you just keep your titles relevant to the page content. Means I'm giving you an example. So people, let's go to the fifth page, the websites which are ranking on the fifth page. Now you can see digital marketing course in Delhi, 33 lessons, 75% practical. See, I just typed digital marketing free training, and this is in here, it is written digital marketing course. So this is the wrong thing. You must not write. If you want to rank your website or your blog for that particular keyword, then you must type that keyword in this whole sentence, or in this whole page title. So people generally type their marketing place name or their company name. So this is wrong. And the third thing is duplication of title. Now in duplication of title, this is basically a very simple thing, that people just keep their people will keep their title same for each and every page in their website. Means for the contact page they will keep their title same, for the about us page they will keep their title same, for the blog page they will keep the title same, but they will change the meta description, but they won't change the page title. But this is the wrong thing. You must change the page title also. So now the fourth thing is keyword first, site branding last. Now you can see that another mistake which people do is they just put their keywords they just put their site branding first and their keywords last. This is the wrong thing. See, the example is here, www.digital marketing. He just put a digital marketing here, and here he didn't just put a digital marketing. Here the first thing is that the keyword which is digital marketing, and the second thing is it is related to that person's name, or like for example here, free digital marketing course training in India by Saurav Jain. This is the best title, you can see, but this is wrong, as well as this is wrong, because this whole title is not present over here. So I think that now you understood that the first thing is keyword and the second thing is branding. Branding must be in the last, and the first thing is the keyword in title. And the fifth thing is that do not repeat keywords unnecessarily. Like here the person did www.digitalmarketing, and then he has also written digital marketing 2 times. This is totally unnecessarily, and this is totally waste of time. And the sixth one is write for customers and don't write for search bot. Remember that you are writing for humans and not for search engine bots, not for Google bot. Your goal is to give clear message about the contents available on the web page. If you want to learn SEO, the first and the foremost thing is that you must give clear content to the people who are viewing your web page or your website. Focus on improving the click-through rate, CTR, or in other words, write your title in such a way that the user will find it genuine and it is more likely to click on your search results. As I already told you, that write something valuable like register for a free digital marketing course in India, or you get a free ebook or a free certification. So these things will just attract the person towards clicking on your page title after reading your meta tag or meta description or your page title. So meta description we are going to discuss in the next video. So that's all for today's video, and I hope that you learned very much from this video. Meet you in the next video. So hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial we are going to learn about meta description. So meta description is a short paragraph that describes brief detail about the content on the page. Like see, this is known as the meta description. This is the page title and this is the meta description. This is the meta description which is written over here. This is the meta description. So search engines don't consider meta description for ranking factor. you just take into consideration that search engines uh, don't consider it for ranking factor, but in a indirect way it can be considered. Like a good meta description improves your CTR rate, means click through rate, when your website is listed in the SERP. So the more people click on your website link by reading a compelling description about your web page, the higher weightage it will carry in rankings, because it doesn't directly means it doesn't directly depend on Google, means Google doesn't directly rank after seeing your meta description, but in an indirect way it helps in ranking, because a person means get if a person will get compelled to click on that particular web page after reading that title, means sorry, not title, after reading that meta description, that automatically the traffic would be higher and it would eventually rank on the page, rank on the first page or the second page. So it is basically a on page element, as you can see that it is on page, so you have 100% control of it. Now I always tell that there must be 155 characters, not words, please don't get confused with words and characters. 155 characters is the limit. There may be 156, 157, but I would suggest that you just go for around 120 to 130 characters. That would be the best. So while sharing your web links on social site, meta descriptions appear below your main headline. So if you share something, your meta description would always appear below your main headline or your SEO title or your page title. So how can you write a good meta description? So the first thing is that be descriptive. It should include clear message which you want to give to the people, because you must take into consideration that this won't help you in ranking. You must not get, means you must write for the people, because if you are writing for the people, then people will automatically get compelled to click on that website. So take into consideration these things. And the second thing is that I would give you a personalized tip which I have tried, and that is write words like free ebook, so that user can get his attention, discount, or hurry up, sale is closing, or register for free. So these things make the person who is reading more compelled to click on your website. Third thing is that inspire curiosity. Words with CTA means words with CTA will help the people words with CTA will help the person automatically click on your website. So many of you might be thinking that what is CTA? CTA is basically call to action. So means write some words that will call the person to click on that website, or that will compel the user. So your targeted keywords must be included in the meta description. Like you can see here completely digital marketing tutorial, you are getting digital marketing tutorial here. Marketing, you are getting marketing. That's why it is ranking on the second rank, because it doesn't have the whole. On the website which is ranking on the first, it has clearly written digital marketing tutorial. This is the best title, you can see. That's why it is ranking on the first page. It has a very short title, it has also a very great meta description, as well as it has also included meta tags in this whole means title, and as well as this. So how you can preview meta title? So you will just try the same as I told, SEO Mofo snippet optimization tool, and there you will click on the description box. So let me pause it. So as you can see guys, that here is the description one, and here you can write the description that free training, as well as from the experts. So here you can preview, as well as here you can preview the title, which is already told in the previous video. And so this is the thing. So I hope that you learned much from this, and in the next video we are going to discuss about meta keywords. So that's all for today's video. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial we are going to learn about meta keywords. So previously people used to manipulate this tag by telling search engines that use the given keywords to rank pages. Now the least importance is given by Google to meta keywords. Earlier, as I explained in the one of the videos, that Google versus Yahoo, in which I told that Yahoo worked on the keyword thing and Google worked on backlinking. So Google gives the least importance to meta keywords. Again, Google has not made it clear that whether it has completely removed it as a factor, or it is still using, because people can misuse it after knowing that Google is still using meta keywords as a ranking factor. So they will start doing keyword stuffing and doing black hat SEO, etc. So but other search engines like Bing and Yahoo, they might be still considering meta keywords as a factor for ranking. So how do you find meta keywords of a web page particularly? So you just click on any of these web pages. I just click here on digital marketing tutorial. Let me pause it until, okay, so it just has loaded. Now what you will do is you just click over here and go to, where is the page? I don't think it is. So I don't think the shortcut is appearing, so you just click on ctrl plus u. Now you are going to view the source code page. Now in order to find meta keywords, first thing is that you need to click ctrl plus f in order to find, and now here you can type meta, and now see, these are the things where you are getting meta char, set, character set, meta name, description, and here you can find meta name equal to keyword. So this is the thing which we were searching for. And now see, this is the meta description, means meta keywords here. So digital marketing tutorial, learning, overview, SEO, social media content, email, mobile, pay per click, CRO, web analytics, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube marketing, Google. So these are all keywords. And just make one thing in consideration, that if you're typing keyword, don't use unnecessarily keywords. Like here there is no unnecessarily keyword. Here these digital marketing, these all things are related to digital marketing, Google Analytics, Google AdWords, YouTube marketing, email, mobile, pay per click, these all things are related to digital marketing. So this, I can say that this website has not done any black hat SEO or any spammy content. It hasn't put any spamming content in it. So this is a very good example of white hat SEO, and this is also ranking on the first page. So that's all for today. Meet you in the next video. Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial we are going to learn about a most common error which you might have seen, that is 404 error. So there are many types of error, 401, 403, etc. But some of the client side errors, these are some of the client side errors, but the most common error found is 404. So this 404 errors appears when a web page does not exist, or the page has been moved or deleted, removed or deleted from your website. Means if you are searching for a particular digital marketing page and you get this error, that means that the website or that web page particularly is removed by the person who has developed the website, means the web developer. So how does it affect the SEO? So it affects the SEO by the following thing. The first thing is that your website would have a negative impact, and because page visitors would get angry and they may leave your website. That would result in loss of business and increased bounce rate that can affect your rankings. So ask your web developer to use 301 permanent redirection for deleted or outdated page. Means if someone, you can just imagine that you are searching for a particular page and you are exhausted and you just found a page, means you just found your favorite website where you get digital marketing pages, and you just clicked on that page and you get this error, 404 error, 404 error. So what would be your reaction? You would eventually get angry with the website. You would start hating that website, because the website, and you would just that would increase the bounce rate. You will just spread this message that the website is not this page, and you would get angry and you would stop using that website. That has happened with people. So how to remove such pages from indexing? So of course you can request Google to remove your old pages that you have deleted. For example, we have deleted many pages from dhableshwarmarketing.com related to digital marketing courses, since we moved our training from dhableshwarmarketing.com to expertstrainingmarketing.com. So but please don't search this, because we have permanently deleted those two websites, because I am planning to start a new website with much more impact, and I will inform you when I do that. And in that website I would just I will share my experiences on SEO, as well as I will give free training and free courses for people to learn. So I think that in this video you have learned what is 404 error and learned how to fix it. So let's move on to the next video. Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial we will discuss about breadcrumbs. So what is breadcrumb? Breadcrumb is a type of secondary menu or navigation for your website. Now if your website has a large number of pages or contents like multiple products, services, then you need to use breadcrumbs. So in some cases your website may have a limited number of pages, but still the website or your business type is so complex that it is difficult for users to find where what product they want and where they want. So it means in order to make the website more navigable so that more and more people navigate easily, so in such cases breadcrumb will help you users. So why I have just opened this amazon.com website. So the example or great example of breadcrumb is this. You can see, like if I want to search anything, like if I want to search books at Audible, here I have textbook rental. So I don't have to just browse on books and then search on books. I just can do like this on handmade clothing. I just have each and every category over here. If I click on movies, music, games, headphones, video games, so each and every category I can browse easily from that, or even I can search from here. So this is because of the breadcrumb is installed already here on this website. So now what exactly breadcrumb is, because various people won't be able to understand what is breadcrumb. So users can navigate directly by clicking any of the link over here, like as I already mentioned, like if I want to means click on food and grocery, then I will click over here and it will direct me to the web page. Food and grocery, I want Amazon Fresh, then I will click over here and it would directly take me to a page like this, and here I can take anything I want. I don't have to waste my time unnecessarily. So now if you want to find more courses with digital marketing category, then means for example, if a person wants to find more products like gift cards, and so he will click on gift cards. He doesn't have to do any work and he will just click on gift cards and he will receive these things like you are seeing here. So how does it help in SEO? So the rule is concentrate on user first and then on the search engine robots, because you are writing for users, not for search engine robots. Black hat SEO people write for search engine robots, but white hat SEO, which I am basically teaching, they write for the people, not for the robots. So obviously when a users find it easier to navigate on your website, then in such cases your bounce rate would come down eventually, and you will help, means which will help you in SEO. So it would be easier for search engines to crawl and index your web pages, and then automatically Google bot will start crawling and Google spiders will start crawling your website, and eventually your website would rank on the first page or on the second page, and your website would be keyword optimized or search engine optimized. So the first thing is that you must concentrate what people want and write on that and install. Now think whether your website needs breadcrumb. If yes, then plan your breadcrumb menu, list the hierarchy and ask your website developer to implement the same. So if you are using WordPress, then simply type on Google that WordPress install breadcrumb, means just type WordPress breadcrumb install and then click enter. So it will let me pause. Now see, you just see that breadcrumb NAVXT WordPress plugin. So you just click over here and then install your plugin. So that's all for today video. Meet you in the next video.
Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial we will learn about image alt text. So what is image alt text? So this is basically a text that is a few words that is applied to tag or images. So due to any reasons, if images fail to load, so the alt text appears. It is basically description for the image. So as you can see in this diagram, means in this photograph, the image was not able to load. So it just showed that a diagram showing the website development process, as you can clearly view in this. So it helps in SEO. Now how it helps? Since search engines don't understand what exactly the graphics or image on your website represents, it is advisable to have alt text that search engines may crawl, because search engines don't know what you are doing in an image. So that's why it is always advisable to put image alt text, so that if the image fails to load, it may show down, and as it can help in image SEO also. So that's all for today's video. This video was very short, and meet you in the next video. Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial we are going to learn about the discoverability. Basically we are going to talk about indexation. So what is indexation? So discoverability refers to how easily and quickly your website information can be found by Google search engines as well as your prospects and visitors. So this is the meaning of discoverability. Now let's learn what is indexation. Indexation refers to pages of your website that are indexed by Google or any other search engine. So they show the results listed in the SERP, means SERP. So how can you check your indexed pages? So basically indexed pages tell you the discoverability of your website and how famous your website is. So I have a trick to make you see, so that you can learn how you can see if your pages, means if your website is indexed or not. So let me take an example of marketo.com only. So you will type SITE, site, and then semicolon, and then marketo.com. This is basically a digital marketing company, and then you will hit enter. You can type the name of your domain also, like you have a domain name skills.com or skillshare.com, anything. So you can try and see here. So now you can see that there is so many things: marketo.com, status, marketo.com. This means that this shows that the website, means this shows that Google can basically easily crawl your websites, or Google can easily find your web pages. So this shows that you are more popular on search engines. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. So meet you in the next video. Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. So now in this video tutorial we are going to talk about backlinks. So what are backlinks? So a backlink is created when an external website's link to yours, as I already explained in the previous videos. So in short, the links on other domains that redirect users to your website. So as you can see from this example, these are different kinds of websites, and these are the backlinks in this website. So when someone clicks on that link, they are directed to your website. So the more backlinks you have, the more traffic you get. Let's take an example that this backlinks give you only 10 people towards your website. So and each and every backlink gives you approximately 10 people. So let's see how many backlinks are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 into 10, that is 80. So you are getting 80 people traffic to your website with the help of these backlinks. So that is the use of backlink in order to give traffic. So let's understand what is pre-Penguin scenario. So before recent update by Google Penguin algorithm, it was easy to get good rankings by getting backlinks from many websites. So people used to create few domains and few blogs of their own, and they then creating backlinks to their main domain or website for which they require to have a good ranking. But now the scenario has totally changed. Now search engines now value quality over quantity. So quality links from relevant sites or domains, that is the thing that Google mainly matters. So you just can't give means you just can't create a domain and you start giving backlinks towards your site. Earlier that used to happen, but after the Penguin update this thing is not happening. So Google is seeing the quality of backlinks you are getting from the quality domains. So backlinks from high authority domain have a higher value. Means, as I already told you, that if you are getting a backlink from a .mil or .edu website, then you have more chances to rank than getting tens of thousands of backlink from .com website, .com domains or .in domains. So now let's learn more about backlinks. So backlinks help in getting better search engine results. Means it is a part of off-page SEO. So this is basically a part of off-page SEO. So if any of your page, blog or content is getting organic links from other site, so then your page or content will obviously rank higher with search engines. So your goal should be to create links to individual posts along with those leading to your homepage. So backlinks help search engine bots discover links to your site and crawl your site effectively. Now especially for a new website, is it important it is important to get backlinks, as they help in the faster discovery and indexing of your website. So basic example, I'm just trying to give you an example, as I love giving example because people learn more from examples than from just simple talking. So just to have a basic understanding, I just am giving you an example. I posted a video on YouTube, and below description you will find the link to my website. So when someone finds my video or information more valuable, then he will visit my website from the link below. So by that way I am getting organic traffic to my website through backlinks on other website, like through backlink from that YouTube video, from backlink from that YouTube channel. So now if people love that my website, then they are going to share on their Twitter, Twitter, Facebook and Snapchat. So they will just simply copy it, and also on Facebook Messenger. So they will start sharing it on each of these social media, and by that way I am getting backlinks from different of the social media. So in the next session we will understand more about backlinks. So please stay tuned and don't feel bored. So thank you, and that's all for today's video. Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. So now in this video tutorial we are going to learn about link building relevance. So what is link building and what is the relevance? So first of all, let's understand what is relevance. So search engine pays higher attention to links that are coming from relevant domains or sites. So for example, your website is all about travel and bookings and you are getting backlinks from a medical website. So just think, are they relevant backlinks? The obvious answer is a big no. Thus, so if you should focus on link building websites from link building activities from relevant domains. So now you might be thinking that what is your role here? So your role is to go and find out your relevant website where you can create quality backlinks to your website. So for example, I am just showing you an example. If I have a niche on travel, so I will just type here travel and see that what my competitors doing. So you can see here I just got travel news, vacation ideas, yatra.com, cheap title, so means cheap air tickets, and make my trip, and here. So let's click on makemytrip.com. I will just copy here and just go to a website known as backlink watch and click enter. So backlink watch is basically a free website where you can focus, means where you can spy on your competitors website the backlinks they are receiving. So first of all, let me click okay, I have clicked. So then I will click over here. So let me first pause it until it loads. So we can see now that the website is opened. So now I am going to paste the link of makemytrip.com and click here to check backlinks. So it will take some time to give backlink reports. So let me pause it. So yeah, you can see that now the number of backlinks which I got. So you see these are the backlinks from websites. Now you see the list is so big. So just wait. Yeah, so you can see the list is so big. So now what is the next step? So now just create a report and contact all the websites, and not all, you can't contact all these websites. So just contact around 20 to 30% of websites of your competitor websites, and just ask them to post contents or getting links to your website. Just tell them that I have also written a post on travel and to make lives of people good by just going to good hotels and these things etc related to travel, and as you have shared the backlink of a website named makemytrip.com, so just read my article, and if you like it, so share it on your website. So just ask them. So let's take an example that out of these 20 to 30, means out of these 600 or 700, only 10% accept your request and they just start writing, they just posted your link. So you would be getting so many backlinks from means out of 600, if only 10% people do, then you will be getting 60 backlinks to your website. So some of them might be directory listing or travel portal where you might have to make business collaboration. So that's a great opportunity. So now what's to do next? So now go out and find out relevant websites from where you can create quality backlinks to your website. So is it easy? No, it is not. You have to do work. So just try and do work, because if you won't do any work, how can you expect such a great result that you would be earning so much, your business would flourish? It can't do. You can't just simply, your business can't flourish by only dreaming. You have to work for it. So you need to brainstorm, research, and keep looking for relevant sites, and that to such sites that must allow you to post contents or create pages on their domain. So I think that you might have understood what I want to tell you, and please practice this what I told you in this. Just go out and search the niche on which you are preparing your website and just contact the pages. So hope you learned in this video something new, and let's meet in the next video.
Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. So now in this video tutorial we are going to learn about link building directory. So first thing is that now that you have understood what backlinks are, it is time to do some link building activities for the websites you are managing. So link building is an activity where you focus on getting natural, relevant and quality backlinks to your domain. So first of all, a bit of easy way to get backlinks is directory submission. So directory submission is a process where you submit all details to list your website in relevant directory websites in your industry. Example, I am running my training institute in my city, so I will definitely publish my training institute's detail to following directories: Google My Business, sulekha.com, yet5.com, justidl.com, yellowpages.in. So these are for Indian directories. So these are basically Indian directories. So you may also have, if you are a citizen of US, Europe, so you may have your backlinks directory. So with that you can search in Google that which are the backlink directories for submission of websites in Europe or in whichever country you are living, so you can get a listing from there. So now next thing comes here is listing. So if you already have listed your business to such directories, then just go out to such directories and check whether all the information are updated along with your website and address. So if you have not listed your business, then it is high time now. Go and find all relevant directories where you can list your website or business. So other directory posting, let's talk about what is other directory posting. So first thing is that manufacturer. So for manufacturer, the directories are indiamart.com. I am talking about India, indiamart.com, tradeindia.com, justidl.com, and many more. And for travel industries, there is much like infoline.com, goibibo.com, makemytrip.com, yatra.com, and traveltourismdirectory.net. And local businesses, it is like Google My Business, Zomato, Yelp, Find Yahan, Urban Clap, and Foursquare, and many more. So you can also find your. So now what you have to do, so the similar to previous one, just let's assume that you are looking at SEO activities of your client and that offers tour and tracking packages. So just go out and find your competitor directory listing, go to Google, enter your competitor's track, exact business name, find all the directory listing websites where they have their presence, and just next, then that's it. So go and find out relevant directories where you can submit your websites after seeing your competitor websites and detail, and you can also submit your details along with the website to get organic traffic, prospects, and customers. And this is a great way of getting backlinks. So I think that now you have understood what to do and how to do. So let's meet in the next video. Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. So now in this video tutorial we are going to learn that what is guest post in link building. So there are many blogs and websites that allow posting your contents or blog to their website. So in that blog you can incorporate links to your websites. So guest blogging is the quick and effective method of targeting new audiences by publishing blog articles on relevant and well-known websites. You will get your content in front of new readers and win more discoverability of your website. So apart from backlinks, you will also be able to increase online reputation and followers for your social media assets also. So this is basically a large platform in which you can grow your website as well as your social media accounts, as well as you can become popular by guest blogging. So how to find such websites? So the first step to find that websites that accept guest blogging, where you can submit a strong blog article that adds value to the readers and at the same time encourages them to click on your links and land on your website. So you can find such websites by following the steps that I am showing you right now. So first of all, open the Google Chrome browser and then here type the keyword, your keyword for which you want to write. For example, I want to write on digital marketing, and then here comes the trick. Now type here plus and here write guest post. Okay, so just type in plus and now hit enter. So now you would be directed to the SERP, and in the SERP you will see various. Now you can see this is the website that is for guest posting. And how can you know that? You can see here guest post, and wherever you see guest post, that means that the websites accept guest posts. But make sure that your articles or your contents are original, professional, and relevant to your audience. So you can hire a professional content writer also if you want. So now you can see that this is a guest post acceptor website, and this is also guest post, and this is guest post. This is also a guest post website. So you can contact them and you can just start posting guest posts here in these websites. And this is a great way of following your social media account, for growing your social media account and to grow your traffic inside your website. Also, you can put the links of your website in that blog, and you can also target new audiences. So that's all for today video. Meet you in the next video. Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial I'm going to share my personal experience, as well as I want to guide you to some new thing. Okay, so first thing is that, have you ever watched James Bond movie? I want to ask you a question, that have you ever watched James Bond movie and have you ever tried to become a spy? Or well, now you got the opportunity to actually become a spy or detective or 007 James Bond that you have dreamed in your childhood days, like I have dreamt of becoming James Bond. So keep close watch on your competitor's website, which means James Bond does spying and you will also do spying. So now, how to spy on your competitor website? So first thing is that, just go here to google.com and Google Alerts and click here. So you just have figured out in my whole course that I am giving you the most free tools that no one gives in the course. Means basically SEO experts hide you these free tools, but I have revealed all these free tools which are used by SEO experts, that may be black hat SEO experts or white hat SEO experts. So these are used by everyone. So you may also use these alerts, means you may also use these free tools in order to get traffic. So then there is no need to get paid traffic, means to get I won't mention the website name who pay for, means who are not paying, who are taking money from you in order to give the relevant keywords. But I would suggest that you just try the free methods which I have mentioned in this website. So that's why I just told in my course introduction video that each and everything you learned here in blogging would be just free except your domain. So you don't need to pay for anything. So now the next thing here, coming to the topic, is that now how to spy on your competitor site. So let's take the example of that makemytrip.com, and now I will create alert here. So just create an alert, so that now what is the meaning of this alert? So you will get notifications or alert from Google whenever something new happens to your competitor's website. Like I have a website and my website is related to travel, and makemytrip.com is India's best travel website. So I will just copy the link here. This is my competitor website, and I will just copy the link here and click on alerts. So now what will happen, if your competitors are getting backlinks from guest blogging, then you can also become a guest author or on the same and start writing also a guest post that I explained in the previous video. So now how to do? Now first thing is that you just go into settings, and here you can means you can set the alerts, that how many time you want to receive alerts in your email, almost once a day, or and deliver to the address in which you want. So you can click over here to see. And the second thing is that if you want to deliver time, you can also set the delivery time, or at which time you want your emails to, you want to receive your emails on these alerts. So that's all for today's video. Meet you in the next video. So I just deleted it. Okay, so meet you in the next video. So hi everyone, and welcome to another video session. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about commenting. So we Indians love giving unwanted suggestions. I am also Indian, but I am telling you, we Indians really love to give unwanted suggestions, free advice, jumping onto discussions, group discussions, and most importantly commenting. We love giving comments and pointing to others. So well, you can capitalize and encash this God-gift talent for creating backlinks by commenting of relevant contents like blog articles, videos, posts on social media. Like for example, let's take an example of a Facebook post. If someone posts a Facebook post on a group and the Facebook post engagement is very high, that is 100 likes or 200 likes, or you can say 500 to 600 likes or 1k likes even, and so then that main post is related to tour and packages, so you can, and your niche or your blog is related to tours and packages, so you can type a good and beautiful nice comment over there and link your website to, or paste your website to that comment. And you can also type that if you want to learn more about digital tours and tracking, then please visit our website. So in this manner you will start getting some quality of people or some quality traffic into your website. So as you can see that you are doing this thing, keep one thing on mind, that please don't spam. please just don't do unwanted spamming on Facebook groups, or you might get removed from the group or social media like YouTube. Now YouTube has considered this thing as spam. If you are posting more than 2 to 3 times like these article means these links in the comment section, then YouTube has considered spam. So you can most preferably, I always use quora.com, quora.com. So this is the website where you can answer the people questions which they are facing, as well as you can share your link or your website to give the people their answers through your website or blog. So this is also a great way. Now one thing, and now another thing is that your comment should not look like spam. It must be a genuine discussion and comments, because people start hating spam contents and they will report you, and Facebook will eventually block you if you start getting reports, and YouTube in the same manner will block you if you start posting spam contents, and even no one loves spams. So that's it, and meet you in the next video.
Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about testimonials. So the first tip which I am going to share here is use quality and expert reviews and testimonials on your blogs, articles, business listing and on social media. Such reviews or testimonials must reflect your expertise, and you should encourage readers to check your profile. In that way they might look for your company or your website, and eventually you have created backlinks. So the second thing is that while you write your testimonials, just keep one thing in mind, that you are not spamming. You are not trying to spam, or you are not trying to you are not trying to sell your product or your website. You are not trying to bring traffic to your website or to promote your blogs. You don't act this much, because people nowadays are very smart. So just write a honest and a genuine testimonial, or an honest and a genuine review of what you really liked about that blog or that article, and share your experience with people. So you can also write critical analysis of a blog or an article in the comment section. So by doing these small things you can create a very large audience, like I had created in quora.com. In quora.com I used to give answers to simple digital marketing related niche, and in a month I just got around 187k views in my answers, and eventually I bought a lot more of traffic than I had ever thought to my own website or blog. By just typing, I have written approximately 70 to 8 answers in 1 month to different people's question, and these answers got views, and I have created backlinks towards my website, and eventually I got so many traffic to my website. So that's all for today's video, and meet you in the next video, and I hope that you learned something new from this video. Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial I am going to share a personal tip with you all, which you can do to increase your visitors. So the first and the foremost tip is contact experts. Yes, contact expert bloggers to write a blog or article on their website and create backlinks by putting relevant anchor text with links to your website. So you can also contact, my second tip is, just listen carefully. So you can also contact affiliate marketers who can promote your website or your product. Now see, affiliate marketers will give two benefits. The first one is business, customers, and the second one is backlinks. So, and the third tool which I used was online interviews. Online interviews are trending right now. There is a huge demand of online interviews right now. Thus, contact generalists and get interviewed online. So that's all for today's video. This was a small video, and this video was to give you some small tips by which I personally used to increase traffic on my website. Now you can see after completing this course that there are so many ways free by which you can get traffic towards your website. These all ways are not paid. You can get free, because I am discussing SEO, not SEM. So I always suggest that you go for free version, because don't go for paid version, because you must always try, first of all you must try free version, because why to waste money when you can complete that work free. But the most important thing is that free will take some time, but if you get expert into next level SEO means if you become next level SEO expert, then you don't need to wait for time. You will eventually start getting views, backlinks, etc. to your traffic. You will start bringing huge amount of traffic to your website. So this basically, I just made this course, I'm sharing my
personal interview, means not interview, I'm sharing my personal review, that I just made this course because few years ago people were just I used to freelance in websites like fiverr.com, freelancer.com, upwork.com few years back. So people just asked me that can you do SEO for our website, and we would give you so many dollars. Some gave me $100, some $150, and some $200 for their website. I just did SEO and they were very happy with me. So the main thing I learned from here, that I was actually doing nothing, but I was doing very little SEO work, because SEO works needs very little time if you are an expert. If you are a newbie, then you must be thinking that, oh wow, how many ways are there to earn money from, means how many ways are there to get backlink towards your website. But an expert knows each and everything that how you can do. So it takes me around, it depends on the project, it generally took me around 30 means if I get a small project which was from $100 to $200, I only paid around 1 to 2 hours a day. I only used 1 to 2 hours a day to make that project. And for big projects I used some weeks to make that project, and eventually got a large amount of money. So I thought that why not create a course on udemy.com, so that people may learn from that. No need to purchase SEO means SEO writers, SEO experts, in order to get views, or traffic towards your website, because you know that SEO is easy if you learn from this course. And if you do practice, start practicing, please just don't see that this course is so tough and these all things are so lengthy, how will I do. Actually this course isn't tough, but this course is very lengthy, because if you want to become a next level SEO expert, then you have to work for it. You have to work for each and every dream which you have ever thought, which you have ever seen. So I must think, so I created this course so that you can get various values from me, and to implement these values towards SEO. And you can also work as a freelancer in SEO and different various fields. So that's all for today's video. I hope that you liked my video. So we meet you in the next video. Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about social media websites. So getting elaborated with social media websites is the most important step which you must begin, because this will increase your advertising, marketing, as well as build your online reputation within your niche. So social networking websites presence will also help you grow your business, and also will help you get more number of backlinks. So you might have seen that various companies like Club Media and various companies, so they just try to do Facebook advertisements. So they are not fools that they are doing Facebook advertisements and they are building their brand, but they are doing this in order to increase their business. So you must also do Facebook advertising and various types of advertising, like you must build your Facebook presence and Google presence, and also presence in various platforms like Instagram. So because if you will have a built up audience, so it will help you increase your views and increase your traffic to your website. So this is the most important step. Now you don't need to just do advertising, you can upload quality contents on your Facebook page. Or for example, if my name is Dhableshwar and I am creating a blog post and I have a very good number of blogs on digital marketing, so I will create a Facebook page on digital marketing by my name. And if I upload quality content, then the people who are who have just liked and followed my Facebook page, so they will also have fun reading my content, and they will start sharing to their friends. So various networking sites, I know that you know what are the social media websites. These are Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google Plus, Pinterest, Instagram, and various other sites. So you just go here, there, and start building your presence. And also Quora.com is also a very good site, so you can start building your presence in there also. So that's all for today's video. Meet you in the next video. Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial I am going to tell you about local listing and why it is important. So you may have a website promoting your local business instead of global. So therefore it is, instead of going global and facing enormous competition, listing your website locally so that search engines can easily crawl and view your website and fetch content. So it would be much easier and much better for you to expand your business. So this will support you to reach a target number of audience. So how to do it? So the first thing is submit your website to sites like Google Local and Maps, Yahoo Local, Yellow Pages, etc. So I am giving you a basic list of these websites where you can submit. So the first one is Yahoo Local. So if you have a pen and a paper, then please write or please make note of these websites. So first one is Yahoo Local, second is yellowpages.com, third is yelp.com, and fourth is aslocal.com, fifth is whitepages.com. So these are one of the best websites where you can submit it. Now comes forum submission. So discover forums online that are associated with your niche and get involved within that community. Reply and answer to threads, answer people questions, offer advice, etc. So make you a use of do follow forums, because this all helps to build of your online reputation. And the most famous forums are awasu.com, awasu.com, bbpress.org, chronicle.com, careerbuilder.com, ckeditor.com. So these are the one of the most famous forum posting websites. So I hope that you learned this much from this video, means learned some new thing from this video, and keep going. So that's all for today's video. So guys, you have finally completed the course, and now you have learned what is SEO, and you have learned so many things about SEO. So now I hope that you just learned these much things, and please go and try out on your web pages. And if you are expert in doing these things, then you go and service and provide your service to freelancing websites like fiverr.com, upwork.com, and you can work with various companies for this thing. So keep one thing in mind, that please don't get demotivated. If you are not getting enough traffic in just 4 to 5 months, then keep on working and you will definitely get. Because when I was starting, I just wasted one of my year in doing these types of things. So I totally thought that these were all waste of time, and each and everything I am doing this is all waste of time, so I must just stop these kinds of things. But after 1 year, I started to see that my website started getting traffic. I improved, my website improved in Alexa rank, and I started getting much number of traffic, and I increasingly started getting more and more number of revenue from Google AdSense and various websites. So I was very much motivated, and then I kept on doing these things, and now I am a SEO expert and Google AdWords certified. So another thing is that you keep on going. So as I already explained in the first thing, that you keep on going, just please don't get. But one thing is that I taught you each and everything on this course about SEO. Now I didn't teach you how to set up a WordPress website or WordPress blog, because this course was not about it. This course was only about SEO, on-page SEO and off-page SEO, that I already explained you in this video. As I promised that I will give you free course material, free ebooks and free material, so you can get it in the means in description, as well as you can download it from after this website. You will get an ebook not after this website, after this video you will get the ebook, and you can take it, and you can. And one thing is that please start making notes. Means if you have made notes, that's a good thing. So go and revise these notes, which I already explained you in this video. And second thing is that you just after giving the free ebook, download it and start studying that ebook, because that will give you a basic idea of what I just told here, and then start applying these things. So that's all, and I just wish you best of luck, and don't get demotivated. So thank you.